What is data collection? Data collection is fundamental component of research enabling the gathering of information for analysis and interpretation. It involves systematic process to obtain accurate and reliable data that support decision making, hypothesis testing, and knowledge generation. This article provides an overview of data collection methods, types, and practical examples to guide researchers in selecting the most appropriate techniques for their study. So, ang data collection is mag-process siya sa gathering information of fact from different of sources, answer, sample kanang test, hypothesis or evaluate outcomes. So kaning collection is kanang mag-collect ka sa mga information. They are the three examples of data collection. First, survey. Second, experiment. Third, observation. First, survey. Survey data is defined as the resultant data that is collected from a sample of respondents to a survey. This data is comprehensive information gathered from a target audience about a specific topic to conduct research. There are many methods used for survey data collection and statistical analysis. So, ang survey is kanang sample ang survey ay kanang asking question and using questionnaire or interview. So, ang survey is mag-define na siya sa mga resultant data kanang mag-collect siya from sample kanang respondent kanang natok nimo sa imong survey. Then kaning comprehensive information na siya nga gathered from a target audience about a specific topic to conduct research. Example, preparation. Design a questionnaire with specific question about the new product, including both